In this script, OpenStreetMap data is analyzed using the osmnx library. osmnx simplifies the process of downloading, visualizing, and analyzing street networks and building footprints. Below is an organized explanation of each step of the script, focusing on how osmnx and other libraries are used. The script begins by importing the necessary modules: osmnx for downloading and analyzing OSM data, networkx for working with graph data structures, matplotlib/pyplot for plotting data. The variable place name defines the area of interest. In this case, it is Wattenscheid, Bochum, in Germany. Downloading and plotting the street network. The ox graph from place function is used to download the street network for the specified place. This function returns a graph object representing the street network. The type of this graph object is then printed. Analyzing street network statistics. The ox basic stats function calculates basic statistics about the street network, such as average security, which is printed here. Converting graph to geodata frames. The ox graph to GDFs function converts the street network graph into geodata frames for nodes and edges. This allows further spatial analysis of the street network. Here, ox distance nearest nodes finds the nearest nodes to specified coordinates. Nx shortest path calculates the shortest path between these nodes. Ox plot graph route is used to plot the route on the graph. The script plots the streets with colors representing the number of lanes, using categorical plotting and a color map. This line uses ox geometries from place to download building footprints for the specified place. Buildings are plotted on top of the street network to visualize their locations. Building footprints are projected to a coordinate reference system, and their areas are calculated. Buildings with areas larger than 1,000 square meters are selected, and the number of such buildings is printed. Finally, the buildings are plotted based on their area with a legend indicating the area size. Summary. This script demonstrates how to use osmnx to download and visualize street networks, analyze basic network statistics, convert graph data to geodata frames, plot shortest paths, plot streets based on attributes, and analyze and plot building footprints. Each step provides insights into different aspects of the spatial data, allowing for a comprehensive analysis of the urban environment.